Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable art gallery screensaver. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go down, set system, set ambient screensaver. Go to settings. Here you can see channels. See, right now I am using experimental. Let me change this to art gallery. Here you can see the categories. So from here you can set categories. So we can also unselect categories. Only the images from the selected categories will be displayed in the screensaver. Let me go back. See, this way we can enable art gallery screensaver. So if you want to disable, you can select Google Photos or experimental. So that way we can disable this art gallery screensaver. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.